Good morning students. Today we are going to do self practice 2. Self practice 2 में the question number 1 is write the Hindu Arabic numerals for each Roman numerals. You have to write the Hindu Arabic. आपको Hindu Arabic में लिखना है and the question is given in Roman numeral. Now question number 1 में you have to write in Hindu Arabic. The question is given in Roman numeral. You have to write in Hindu Arabic. So the question number A is IX. I stand for 1 and X stand for 10. So smaller Roman numeral is written first. After that bigger Roman numeral is written. So according to our rule, we will subtract the values. So the value of X is 10. 10 में से we will subtract the value of I, that is 1. So 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9 is our answer. Question number B में it is given X and X. The X and X is repeated 2 times. So according to our rule, we will add the value of X. The value of X is 10. So we will add 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20 is our answer. Question number C में it is written X, I. The value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1. So the bigger Roman numeral is written first. After that smaller Roman numeral is written. So according to our rule, we will add the value of the Roman numerals. So the value of X is 10. 10 में we will add the value of I. And I is repeated 2 times, so we will add 2 times 1. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12 is our answer. Question number D is a homework you do in your book. Question number E में X is repeated, so we will add the value of X. So value of X is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. After X, V is written. So value of X is 10 and value of V is 5. So first the bigger Roman numeral is written. After that smaller Roman numeral is written. So we will add the value of 5. Add the value of V. So we will add 5. The value of V is 5. Next में I is written. So V के बाद I is written. So value of V is 5 and value of I is 1. So again bigger Roman numeral के बाद the smaller Roman numeral is written. So again we will add the value of I and I. So I is written 2 times. So we will add 1 plus 1. So what is our answer? 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 5 35 plus 1 36 plus 1 37 is our answer. Next में X and X is repeated, so we will add the value of X. After that see here, X and X, 2X के बीच में there is I is written, means 2 bigger Roman numeral के बीच में smaller Roman numeral is written. So according to our rule, we will subtract the value of I. We will subtract the value of I with the Roman numeral what it is written at the right side. So right side the Roman numeral X is written and the value of X is 10. So we will subtract the value of I with 10. So 10 minus 1, that is equal to 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So that is equal to 29 is our answer. Next में question number G में again X and X is repeated. So we will add the value 10 plus 10. After that X के बाद V is written. Bigger के बाद smaller Roman numeral is written. So we will add the value of V, it's 5, and V के बाद I is written. So again bigger Roman numeral के बाद smaller Roman numeral is written. So we will add the value of I. So I is written 2 times. So 1 plus 1. That is equal to 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25 plus 1 26 plus 1 27 is our answer. Question number H में it is given X I V. That is your homework which you will do in your maths book. Now question number 2 में it is given that write the Roman numerals. You have to write the Roman numerals for each of the following Hindu Arabic numerals. The question is given in Hindu Arabic. You have to write the Roman numerals of that Hindu Arabic number. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर ए में it is written 2. So 2 का you have to write the Roman numerals. So we write 2 times I. 2 times I means 2. Question number B में the question is given 4. You have to write the Roman numeral of 4. So how can you write? We can write V. V stand for 5. Before V, we will write I. I stand for 1. Means we have written smaller Roman numeral first. After that, bigger Roman numeral. So according to our rule, we will subtract it. So we will subtract 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Now question number C में it is written 16. So 16 को first we will expand it. Expand it 10 plus 5 plus 1. It's 16. After expanding we will write the values in Roman number. So the value of 10 in Roman number is X, and for 5 we will write V, and for 1 we will write I. So our Roman numeral of 16 is XVI. Next में 32. Again 32 को expand it. 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 32 plus 30 plus I 1 plus 1 32. So for 10 we will write X. So X 3 times X. For 1 we will write I 2 times I. So X I stand for 32. Now, next is 27. So 27 को again expand. 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25 plus 1 26 plus 1 27. After that write the Roman numerals. For 10 we will write X, so 2 times X. For 5 we will write V, and for 1 we will write I. So I. So XVII stand for 27. Next is 36. 36 expand karo. 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 5 35 plus 1 36. Again write the Roman numeral of 10 10 10. It's X. For 5 it's V, and for 1 it's I. So XVI stand for 36. Next में 19 को expand करो. 19 को we will expand it 10 plus 9. Write the Roman numeral. 10 के लिए we will write X. For 9 we will write IX. X में we are subtracting I, means 10 में we are subtracting 1. So it's XIX is stand for 19, and 39 is a homework you will do in your book. Now the question number 3 is fill in the boxes using greater than, less than or equal to symbol to make the correct statement. So you have to fill the boxes with greater than, less than and equal to. In the question, one side it is given in Roman numeral, another side it is given in Hindu Arabic. So with the question what it is given in Roman numeral, first we will convert it into Hindu Arabic. So convert it. Question number A में it is XII को convert it into Hindu Arabic. X stand for 10 and I stand for 1 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 12. So one side it is written 12 and one side it is given 13. So which is greater? 13 is greater. Question number B में XIX is given. Convert it into Hindu Arabic. So X stand for 10, another X stand for 10 and IX stand for 9. So 10 plus 10 plus 9 is equal to 29. One side it is given 29, another side also it is given 29. So both are equal. Question number C में XXV. X stand for 10, another X stand for 10 and V stand for 5. So 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 it's 25. One side 25 is given, another side 26 is given. So 26 is greater. Next में question number D में XXII. So X stand for 10, another X stand for 10, I stand for 1, another I also stand for 1. So what is in Hindu Arabic? 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 21 plus 1 22. One side 22 is given, another side 19 is given. So 22 is greater. Question number E is your homework, and question number F is also your homework you will do in your maths book.